You are going to love the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, driver attention alert system, adaptive cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.